gonna jump her new Navy out right in front of traffic. Watch, she's gonna cut off everybody. So here we come, dudes. Hopefully some of y'all are out there, but more importantly, hopefully there's some deals out there, because that's why we're going. We're headed to our vendor spot.
Your vendor spot, okay. You don't have your vendor passes or anything
they're
like that?
They're on my truck and mine.
Yeah, so we can't let any vehicles through. And
between 5 and 10?
Between 5 and 10, you have to have your vendor pass.
Well, my vehicle's inside. We left at 10 a.m. this morning. So now I can never go back and get my vehicle?
Well, we can figure it out. Now, I just can't let you all roll the two motorcycles.
So
vendor
it's the
pass,
same vehicle as the...
Yes, so it's because you don't have a vendor pass hanging on each one.
But if we had them on them, then we couldn't have left our truck inside. Because
no,
somebody would say I don't have it.
Yeah, I understand. It's very convenient. I don't need your ID. I just want to see.
I know they got you guys out here.
Yeah, and they made all these crazy rules, and we're trying to accommodate y'all and accommodate them, and it's gotten kind of crazy today. So we call Thursday a training day. Hopefully by tomorrow it's going to be a lot.
I noticed that Thursday is the day when they iron out all the rules.
Right.
Because they change them a lot.
They do, and this is a track rental, so this is a paid thing, so we're just trying to, sounds good.
Thank you very much.
Go right ahead.
Keep them with whichever vehicle we leave.
Okay.
Thank you. That alien up near the front, right? Didn't we?
Not too bad with
and
it.
it's still got
he shipped it. I was right there with you.
Hey, it's still got the governor on it.
And yeah, so
you gotta be careful taking off from a dead stop. You gotta get over to the front.
Yeah, I bet. I bet, man. I don't have to worry about that.
Really quick.
Yeah. And then shoot out from under you.
How you like that Rhome?
I like it.
That's what I want, man.
Yeah, he knew what we was fixing to do.
I like the mini bikes. I just wanted to get a video of you at least.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We were out here last year and I had a Pitster Pro. I was racing a bunch of mini bike guys down there in the grass. Look at all them mini bikes there. That must be, oh, I thought it was a big Go Power Sports. nice, man. I love the old Yamahas. Is that yours? Yeah? Do you have to get 5 for it?
Maybe up.
Is the pull starter on the other side? Is that turnover?
Yeah.
Would you take 300 cash right now?
Got it sold for 350.
You got it for 350? Yeah, I'll do that. Can I come back and get it, but I pay you now? Man, this is gonna be tough. First one. Got me a tri-zinger. Love them. I don't even think I'm supposed to buy any more of those, man. Sweet little custom Honda. There, boys. Just eats the sand, probably. Wonder what they're asking for that thing. Man, that is awesome. I love the wheels on that. Yeah. Oh, what's up, dude?
Well, you're a subscriber, man.
What's your name?
Brian Terrell.
Derek. Nice to meet you.
Or my channel name is Hooters Garage.
Hooters Garage?
Hooters Garage.
Hooters, even better.
You see an image of this on there.
Cool.
I restored this myself.
Man, that thing's slick.
Where y'all at?
I didn't bring a trailer this year, dude. I'm just buying a couple toys. No, it's okay. I said when I do, I'm gonna look at. See? Yeah, I like this one better. It's a little bigger. 29 on this bad boy. That old Corvette. The trailer. Yeah, the guy's got it for sale over there, but it's not for sale. What's up?
That's kind of cool.
Do you see the little buddy you got over there?
Oh, you got a little truck.
All right, Pate's first score, guys. It's Thursday night. I'm home. Let's see what we got. Tri-zinger. Hell yeah, not too bad. Motor stuck? Nope. Heck yeah, dudes. He had it listed for 500. Got her for 350. Going back in the morning. I got 3 loaded up, dudes. Oh, I appreciate you watching, boys. Be sure and like and subscribe. Lots more coming on the channel, dudes. Appreciate you. Get up in there. If you're at Pate, come see me tomorrow morning. I'll be riding around.